Hi guys, today in this video you're going to learn how to make $300 every single day by your own e-commerce store without having any physical products. Yes, you heard it right. You can own an e-commerce store yet you don't have to keep any inventory on the internet or on your own home. It's a very simple way of making money where you just upload your designs and then start selling your merchandise, your t-shirts, your mugs, your coffee cups, your everything. Like there are lots and lots of products being offered which you can sell directly and you don't need to have any kind of inventory on your own house. Now how is this even possible? Because all of the e-commerce websites which you have listened of so far have an actual physical office somewhere from where they ship all of these products. Well, this website I'm about to show you simplify this complicated thing in a very easy manner. All you need to do is go to that website, upload your design, create your own store using all the products which are being offered by them, and then sell it. Yes, that's how easy it is. And the products which are being sold are actual physical products. The only major benefit is that you don't need to have all of those products in your own office or in your own house or in your own warehouse. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So what's this website? This website is called as teespring.com. You can go to the Google right now and search for teespring.com. Now as you can see from the headline, commerce not complicated. It's a free end-to-end solution for your e-commerce business. Create and sell online without having an actual physical warehouse. Now you can discover creators as well as their products which they have uploaded, or you can create your own products and upload them and other people can purchase it. For example, this person here has this product. Now you don't need to think that this person is actually selling t-shirts. No, he just uploaded this design on the internet and then he was able to sell it at his own margin. Yes, they will give you a base price and then you can add more profit to it. Like if you want, you can make it $30. If you want, you can make it $80. If you want, you can make it $100. But this t-shirt cost is still going to be the same for you. So you can define your own margins. You can add all of these factors. You don't need to worry about shipping. You don't need to worry about processing. You don't need to worry about handling. Everything is going to be taken care by teespring.com. All you need to do is upload good designs, create your store, and start promoting it for free on social media. And it's a completely free to do method. If you spend some time doing it online every single day, then you'll be able to make up to $800 to $1,000 per day very easily using this method. All you need to do is be consistent in uploading your designs. Now the biggest thing which people ask me is that how to create these kind of designs. So I'm about to show you that as well, that how to get these kind of designs or how to create these kind of designs in a very easy manner. Now as you can see that they have products of all kind. Like with the same design you can buy a cup, a bag, a tank top. So everything is available, a hoodie. So you can get infinite amount of products on this website. Hundreds and hundreds of products are being uploaded every single day, from which we can choose which one do we want to show. So now let me first show you how to actually create a product. So the first thing you need to do is you need to create your own account. To do that, just click on get started. Now here you have to enter your name, email and password and your account will be created. So once you fill in all of these information, you just need to click on sign up. And now you need to name your store. And then you need to click on continue. Now you need to select that who you are. So I'll just click on designer. Now it is asking you to connect your social media accounts. If you want, you can skip that as well. It's just an option for you. Now as you can see that this is your dashboard, and from here you can see what kind of products which are being offered. You see there are lots and lots of different types and categories. You can select from so many different product types here. Now how to create your own store. So that's also very simple. In the dashboard area you see home, create, analytics, listings, stores, payouts, my purchases. So you can go to payouts and add your own payment method, which is the most important step. So you need to add any payment, but before you do that you first need to add your own product. So let's go back to our create section and then select what kind of product you want to upload. So let's say I come here and I want to upload a design for a mask. So I'll search for mask, and then as you can see that I have a mask option here. Now I want to design this mask. So I'll click on start designing. and now here I can add my own image or I can add a text. So it depends on you what you want to do. In my case, I want to add an image. So what I'll do is I'll grab an image. Now from where you can grab these images, it's also very simple. So there is this website called as canva.com where you can start uploading designs for free. Yes, you don't have to write anything, you don't have to create anything, you can create designs for free. So on the top, click on create design and then search for anything. Let's say you want to create a logo or an image. You can just select any size which you want. Now I want to create a design around, let's say, dog. So I'll click on dog. As you can see that lots of amazing designs have been shown here. So I can choose from any one of them. So I am really interested and I really like this one. So I'll choose this one. I'll change this text to animal lover. I'll remove additional text if I want. Then now to download it, it's very simple. I just have to click on this download button and it will be downloaded. Now once it's downloaded, let's go back to our website, and now here you have to upload that image. So I'll just do that, and as you can see that I've added this design. Now I can add text if I want, and if you want you can also add various product colors. You can define on what colors the product is going to be visible to audience which they can purchase. Then you can change your price. So you see right now the price is set in such a way that you'll be making $7.49 profit per sale. If I make it 17, I'll be making $10.49 profit per sale. So you see it's a great way and great opportunity for you to make money like this. Then you need to click on continue, and that's basically it. That's all which is needed. As you can see that the design is now available, and you can easily see lots and lots of different products which are being added. Now if you want you can add more and more of these to your own store. So it's a very simple way of making money where you can create infinite amount of products and lots of different categories, and all of these products will have your designs, and then you can start selling them online without having to do any work at all. So I hope you are understanding how this whole thing is working. Now once you are done with all of that stuff, you can select which all things you want to add to your store. So just select all of these things, and all of these will be available inside your own store. Now let's say I want to add all of these things. I'll just click on continue, and now I need to give it a title. So I'll name it dog lover product. If I want I can give a nice description here. Then I can change the URL if I want. Everything is available, and just you need to click on publish listing, and you see within a few seconds your listing is going to be published. Now once you do that, you'll be seeing that you have an own store from where you can start selling. Now you don't have to go sell each of those things, you just need to share it on your social media, and I'm sure that you'll be making lots and lots of money online, because people nowadays are very curious in buying stuff which is relatable to them. So create something unique, create something which is very relatable to them, and that's why they'll purchase these products from you, because these designs are not available anywhere on the internet. So as you can see that the product has been added now, and you can see lots and lots of different products here. People can go and purchase these products. They can change the colors if they want. Everything is available for them to do. You can even see delivery and returns, product details. All of these features are available. So it's a very easy to use platform, and people can add your product to the cart. They can proceed to checkout and purchase anything they want. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.